Hi cozy friends, let me show you how to make your own essential oil towelettes.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
Hey cozy friends, welcome back to my channel. So I bought these essential oil towelettes. I bought them a long time ago. Just used up the last one and I ordered some more. But then I got to thinking I can make these myself. Even though these are really good, there's 20 toilettes that come in here and they were like $19. So really $1 a piece for one of these. So I'm gonna show you, which I love these, I love this brand, but I'm gonna show you how you can make your own. And I need these because I will be traveling next month and I absolutely love to have these. So what I did, I bought these wet wipe holders. I bought two. I think two of them was like $6 or $7. So I bought this one and this one. They both came together. And I have my two essential oils that I want to use. I want to use my peppermint and my orange. And then I realized I had some wet wipes from, I don't know where these are from, somewhere. I'm sure they were like $1. But I have these, so what I'm gonna do is take these wet wipes out of this package. You can use any wet wipes you wanna use, but take this out the package. And they're still pretty moist. And if you wanna buy bigger ones, since this is a bigger, you can do that too. But put those in there, but before you put them in here, let me show you. I'm just gonna take some peppermint oil and just put a few drops in the middle. And then flip it over, a few drops. And then a few drops of the oil. Orange oil, a few drops. All right, and that's it. Stack them up nice and neat. Kind of squeeze it a little bit, kind of get the oil through the different towelettes. And put it in your wet wipe holder. And voila, you have your own essential oil towelettes. Thanks for watching.